on last night. Today's the last day.
Should be just right around this corner.
Is that it right there? No, that's leisure center. So this is right here.
Must be, yep.
So, oh, we can't park there.
Oh, bus stop.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. Oh yeah, here we go. Is it?
Can I fit there?
Yeah. But you have to, yeah. Can't pull in fit, but parallel park fit, yes. Nice. Nailed it. Good.
Okay.
Hello there.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let me just explain the pricing system.
Oh, okay.
The things out there have a sticker on them, and those are the prices. So if it's got a yellow sticker, it's $5. Although at this stage of the day, we're open to some bargaining.
Okay.
If you want to help yourself to a basket, and while you browse, you're welcome to do that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Podium there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, these are all brand new. And the
What are they?
handles.
Oh.
There's lots of them. And there's all the screws for them. Hey! You could have them all over the place.
Oh my God.
That is $5.
No.
Oh, I could hook these up for you.
That'd be cool.
I could put an end on.
Yeah.
You can just plug them in. I seriously want to buy a swag lamp and go and hook it up in there. That would be hilarious. We'll do it at night though, when there's nobody there.
On my overtime shift.
Yeah.
You can come with me.
Yeah, and I'll do
do
that.
my stuff, and you can be installing the lamps.
And then when your boss comes in, you'd be like,
Well, next morning, because I won't be in the next morning. So everybody else will come in. Oh.
test that. I think Bruce and Therese collect this color. It's $1. I think we could get that for them. It's not, but maybe, I don't think it's shipped or anything. Do you have your phone on you?
Yep.
You want to send them a photo? I think they'll want it.
It's $1. Want it?
Yep, that's all you need to put.
We'll see.
So, should we check out the books? Oh yeah. Grey's Anatomy. $64. That's a show.
Yeah. That's the only time I ever heard of it. It was the show.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was
Don't actually watch the show
a
though,
book.
so.
Yeah.
The Dork Diaries. That's the story of my life.
Oh no, that's you.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. You're my sweet thing.
not getting a response, but I think for $1 we'll just buy it. And
Okay. Oh my God, that is so heavy.
looks like crystal.
Yeah, I think it is. But I,
$2.
yeah, but I think that's brass that's been cleaned through.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's feel how heavy it is though.
Holy. That is really heavy. It's probably lead crystal.
And what's you can tell. Look at the if you turn towards the light, how
Yeah.
sparkly it is.
Yeah.
Wow, isn't that nice, eh? It's nice, eh?
Yeah.
Germany.
Somebody's candy dish.
Yes, you think of what somebody originally paid for a plate like that with all that cut out.
Yeah, and that they're all. It's still in excellent condition.
Yeah, but it would have been really expensive.
Yeah, I'm
And
sure.
That Wedgwood just.
Yeah, I'm surprised you still have it.
Well, you know, somebody initially they put $1 on it, and they were hoping that then I put it up to $5 because those were, you know, they were $40 or $50 at one time.
Yeah. Well, and same with the fancy teacups and saucers. People pay a lot of money and they're just,
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
just going down.
Kids
And then,
don't want it.
yeah.
Interesting, interesting.
I wonder if Ben and Terry would want that.
Oh, so what do you think of that plate? Yes or no?
Oh, I don't know. That's kind of your decision.
It is perfect. It's not chipped.
It is nice.
It's not chipped or anything. It's Germany.
I like it.
I don't know.
It would look good on one of the china cabinets or something.
Just that, yeah, these are all in nice condition and
Yeah, I say. Why not?
yeah. No
I need
word
the
back
footage.
from Bruce or anything?
No word from Bruce, no word from Ben.
Oh, good.
But I think we still buy that for
Yeah,
Bruce, but
okay.
I'm not going to get that for Ben without him
No,
saying so.
no. Yeah, we'll just get.
Oh, Ben says yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Anything? Oh, there's another one of these.
Oh, yeah.
We'll get that.
Yep, for Angie.
Yep. She'll be pleased. Yeah, as many of these as I can find, I think.
No, it's
Milk
got a,
glass.
it's not a hobnail pattern. Like, what is
No,
that?
I'm not sure what this pattern is,
Okay.
but yeah.
Kind of hobnail,
I
but
know I'm supposed to get as many as I find.
all right.
She'll be happy, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so what do we got here? One,
So I got
2,
5, 6,
Seven.
7,
and 5.
12.
So
See if they'll take
10.
10.
Yeah, I think they will. Oh, there is this. Don't want to break rules in the
So we
church.
got a yellow one on here.
That is fine.
We counted it up to 12.
Oh,
We're
and
wondering
this-
if you'd take 10.
Yes, I think so.
Great.
What city is that?
Oh, I would have no idea. Possibly, I don't know, is that,
Is that Toronto?
I don't know.
could be Vancouver?
I was wondering if it was Vancouver. I didn't know though. I have no idea.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks, ladies.
We'll have a peek in here and then.
Have a good day.
Hello.
Yeah, it's for a friend, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice photo.
I hope they enjoy it.
He's got a lot of bare walls, so it'll decorate his house up a little bit. Yeah, he needs it.
So everything out here is free.
Yeah.
If you're good at lock picking, there's a lovely briefcase on the floor.
Oh, just the combo, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Got 1,000 tries. Thanks.
Thanks very much.
Have a good day.
Oh, you guys scored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually for a friend, but yeah.
That's New York.
We weren't
I don't
sure
know,
if it was
we were
Toronto or
wondering about
Vancouver or
that.
New York or San Francisco or what.
Yeah.
Any one of those cities that you just named are famous for hot
The-
dogs.
I thought you were going to say Bridges. So
me too, that's
you took
what-
a total left turn
I would
there.
love to. You too.
You
See ya,
too.
thanks.
Famous for their hot dogs.
their hot dogs.
That was like, oh, I didn't
Yeah, it's
see,
totally gonna say Bridges.
I didn't see that one coming. That was great.
He's quick.
Yeah, very
Wow, I think Ben's really gonna like that.
good. Well,
Like,
he already
I mean, he's
said,
already seen it, right?
yeah, he already said he
But
likes
I think,
it.
you know, to see it on the phone is not quite the same as.
Oh,
Can you get it?
yeah.
Take the little yellow price tag off of it there.
Yeah, you might have to marker.
Yeah, I mean, there's a few spots on it, but it's black and white. You get a couple little white spots on it. I don't think it's-
$5.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. Set it. Can you set it on the floor? Or okay.
Is that okay?
If that hits me in the back of the head,
Then I will laugh hysterically.
and then I'll hit you in the back of the head. Okay. It's taking up all my room here.
Well, we can readjust it.
That's fine.
We can. That can face the seat and spin around. Actually,
It's fine.
I think I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Okay.
Warm. Okay. Still going.